Ka Sorkar jala kalabatha ya baro ki DC ban khang ye ki trai khando na ga Shna Beain ye Jingtei ki bashipor ha Shilynter jong ki Surok ki balathmu ban Shna na kabanta ki Surok high speed 4 lane na maulingkhung 5 gram Assam Usambut Menteri Rangba Gejala Uba Sneaw Balangdhar habakren hakasmi sedang jongka NHIDCL kabakhatway ula ong bakum kani gejing kapensuki ye gejing Shna ye ki project ki bakongsan kani ka Surok kaba kajing lut kalong arpoar hajar praspa an riusaw klotingka kanlong ka Surok kaban penduna shibun ya kapur ha kalet kawan na kuwati bat selshar kapanya lang ba na Jingtei Hills ha kaba gejing kren kadang yat chat ban light na gejing
Yes, NHIDCL has done a tremendous job, especially in our state. Tremendous job. But there is lapses here and there, we won't blame you. There is some crook here and there. It's a teamwork to solve and sit together so that we'll be able to solve in future. For this long Silsar corridor, I didn't even inform anyone. Do you know what is happening? As soon as people, the villagers know, new foreign yet to come now. They go to DC office, they come to me, so as a local money. Where do we will go? What happened? No, we will construct ship, so we'll get more acquisition.